Hello everyone, I'm Maurice from Stanley Black & Decker, and I'm here today to share the very good news to all of you. During this pandemic situation, we are all worried that every time we go out from our outdoor errands, hindi nating maiwasang mag-worry na baka we are already carrying the virus. To ease our worries, we have to make sure that we clean, we sanitize, and we disinfect our homes so that we don't compromise the safety of our loved ones.
Short on time? You got this. The cordless Black & Decker Power Series Extreme holds up to its name. Its triple cleaning system tackles dirt, dust, and debris across tile, hardwood, and carpet. With extreme hair pickup from an anti-tangle brush bar. 3 cleaning features, 1 extreme performance. The Black & Decker Power Series Extreme with triple cleaning system.
With Black & Decker cleaning products, our goal is to provide the homeowners the efficient and effective way to do the cleaning as easy as possible. I'm very excited to introduce the Black & Decker Stake Vacuum. It's an 18 volts cordless vacuum which is very convenient and easy to use. It comes with a battery with 55 minutes runtime, and because it's cordless, you can easily move and reach desired areas for cleaning. You can also convert the hand vacuum for cleaning hard to reach areas. Tara, let's try this. I will show you how this product works. Talagang napaka-convenient and easy to use. Our Black & Decker Stick Vacuum is only 9,500 pesos, and it's really a value for money. Another cleaning product is the Black & Decker Steam Mops. This is an innovative cleaning product that do not require cleaning solutions like bleach and detergents. It is also a versatile handheld steam cleaner that can be used to clean and sanitize. It guarantees to remove grease and grimes, and it has the power to provide a better and safer way of cleaning and killing 99.9% of germs and viruses without the use of chemicals.
Forward. Ganun. Yan.
Thank you so much for watching. This has been your Black & Decker partner, Maurice. Till next time, bye!